market. You can walk through it for 6 days.
Yeah, this is the biggest market in Accra.
Even when you feel low, you can still go. Even when you feel slow, you can still go. Even when there's no hope, you can still go. I never answer to no, man, I still go. Go, 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 go.
And the noise is working.
It's probably hot too.
It's very hot. Yeah. Crayfish, yeah, that's all shrimp that they make, dried one. You see snails too, snails. You know we eat snails?
Really?
Yeah. Snails, yeah. Yeah, the big ones too. Big snails.
Wow. I think it's Nigerians who eat that. Most of the time it's fine that you can see that during rainy season. Yeah. Yeah. Wow. Merry Christmas. Merry Christmas. Hello. Good, how are you? Wow.
Cocoa is right there too.
Huh?
Cocoa. Cocoa. We'll have it at the beach.
You're very keen for this cocoa, aren't you, babe?
Oh yeah, I want to try the cocoa. You cannot come to Ghana and I don't have cocoa. You don't try cocoa, you know. Have some cocoa, you know.
Yum yum yum. They call that fish ladyfish.
Ladyfish?
Yep.
Yeah?
That's what we call it.
Tilapia.
Tilapia.
Oh yeah. It adds a flavor to it. It adds more flavor. Hey, me. On the 27th.
What? You're talking about we don't book anything. They won't take me much.
Is that Gold Coast? Gold Coast.
No. Cape Coast.
Cape Coast.
Yeah, that's a good touristy place. Watch out. The traffic controller self coming out.
And the exclusion.
This cocoa looks good.
Chickens back there. You see the laughter.
Oh wow.
Sorry, bro.
You want to try it?
Or you want to get it when we get to the beach, or you want to get it here?
We can get another one in the beach.
Another one, yeah. Oh, yeah.
I see.
Wow, you see that? What's your bag? They love the sirens here.
No, they love the convoys.
Convoys, they love the convoys, man. Careful before they kill you, man. Look at it. Rich people, they get away with everything. They can go and rent, in countries like here and Senegal, they rent convoys
Yeah.
For rich people and their weddings. Look at it, how they do it. The inequality is off the roof. They went and ran the escort because they have a wedding or a funeral going on. So they went and stay there. I'll get something else for our cocos. They get 3, it's like 30 of Ghana cedis. Yeah. 10. No, we'll wait. We'll wait for them. Yeah, we'll wait. Yeah. I'm done with them. Oh, you done with them? Oh. Yeah, they seem to be good.
Oh, green one on your mum.
Oh, green.
Is green better?
That's a town.
Is green better?
I think the green. Hey, did you take video of how he's doing it? Yeah. It's an expert.
So how do you want it soft?
Yes, I want it soft.
I'm going by. I've never had cocoa before,
so I can take it apart, open it like this, and eat it from there. When the skin inside is soft. The hard one is too much crunchy, you know. The hard.
Yeah.
Yes. Oh yes, let's have a stroke. Thank you.
Okay. Thank you.
Oh, you want this one? Oh, you want to have this one?
No. Is it nice?
Sorry, bro.
Finally got to use cocoa.
I cannot come to Ghana without tasting the coke.
You like Ghana?
I like Ghana, second home, bro. I'm from Gambia, and then my second home, Ghana.
See how peaceful we are.
Huh?
See how peaceful we
How
are.
peaceful we are. Hey, I'm telling you. Compared to Nigeria.
Soft.
You have to be careful.
Huh?
You have to be careful.
You just have to be careful, eh?
Martinez.
That's all, that's it. Yeah, that's it.
And if you are walking away, the place is dark, don't go.
Don't go here.
Unless you got many, like 6-5 people, then you can go. 2-3, no.
2-3 don't, yeah?
Yeah.
Be careful, eh?
That's all. You're good to go.
Yeah, same as them. Whatever they got.
One, eh?
I trust what they got.
Sorry, cameraman, you the last person.
I want a. You don't have a pack, a plastic bag, so I can pour water for my little Aziz.
Okay, I only have the when
You have water one. You have
you can get a cup.
You can get a cup. Well, Coco, don't worry about him.
Yeah, we'll go to the beach.
When we go to the beach, we'll have it.
Yeah, we'll get another one. Yeah, that will be easier.
Oh.
That's cool.
All right, enjoy your stay.
Brother, thank you so much.
Welcome.
And Merry Christmas.
That's good.
Okay.
Oh yeah, thank you.
And grab one straw. Yeah, you can turn it off now and enjoy the cocoa.
Too much water. Thank you.
It's good, huh?
Beautiful. Thank you.
Brother, 3.
Madam, go over.
Thank you. Thanks. I'm very thirsty.
Hold on. You have
to give me this one.
Oh, yes.
Can't do it. And if I want to take it away to me. So we have to drink it. I forgot we have to drink it.
Mommy, baby, Papa.
I forgot we have to drink it, and then he will cut it open for us again, so we can eat inside of it, the skin inside of it. Ko, what happened to your water? You drink all of it? Yeah, Bonevo.
What do you think?
Drink all of it.
Yes, I want.
Yeah. This thing makes it. Oh, eat it like that.
Yeah, baby.
Go. I agree.
Oh, baby. Thank you.
It look like jelly.
Thank you.
Last one.
Oh.
Yes.
Thank you.
Thank you so much.
Yep.
Go, 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 yeah, go, go, go. Hustle hard, hustle every single day. I'll be making moves till I'm buried in my grave. To the system, I don't wanna be a slave. I've been doing shit my way, or the highway. And in the driveway is a nice range. Cause I grind through the climb, I invite pain. You'll never hear me, bitch, nah, I don't complain. Just gotta flip the switch and you can go and obtain anything you want, anything you need. Your mind's got the key ingredient, it's belief. They'll deceive with the negativity, but I just slide right by that energy. Even when you feel low, you can still go. Even when you feel slow, you can still go. Even when there's no hope, you can still go. I never answer to no, man, I still go. Go, 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 go. You got a mind, but even that could change. You could flip the gray matter like
Come in the front. turn them to a